Let's focus now on some of the panelists' experience working in the mid-60s at various semiconductor companies. David, you started in '66 at Fairchild in the UK. You were moved to Silicon Valley in '68. Can you tell us what you worked on in those years? A total of 6 years at Fairchild, the environment at Fairchild, and some of Fairchild's fiercest competitors while you were there observing the action.
Well, it was certainly an interesting time. A month after I arrived in 1968, Gordon Moore and Bob Noyce quit. I'm not sure there's any direct connection there. But I was heavily involved with the digital bipolar logic area, promoting the 9300 series MSI that was extremely successful for Fairchild, so successful that TI copied every single one of them, gave them 7,400 numbers and walked away with 70% of the business. But probably the most exciting area I got involved with was the bipolar memory area. We built, can you believe it, 64-bit and 256-bit RAMs and sold them in huge quantities. And the biggest deal for Fairchild.
What were the applications of those?
Mostly high-speed scratch pad memories, cache memories
like
in computers. And then the first time that a Fairchild chip was used in a main memory was the ILIAC 4 system, which used 256-bit chips, specially made for Burroughs. So, and I was involved, and then we went on, of course, to do a lot of ECL memories, a lot of ECL for Cray. I think there were 40,000 1024-bit ECL chips in Fairchild in the Cray 1, for example.
Any other panelists care to comment?
I can tell you something about the 256 memory because I was very involved in the ILIAC computer project. We had to build one computer for the University of Illinois. It was called the ILIAC, and the problem was the memory. We had no parts that worked 100%. We had no good parts. We got zero yield on the 256, and we had to ship it. So Rex Rice was drafted into our team, and Rex came up with a methodology of mapping every single bit, and therefore we came up with a system that the bad bits could not be addressed, and therefore we were able to ship the computer. Without that, and we already lost $8 million on the project anyway, so
wow.
It wasn't exactly a profit maker.